everyone, this is Cessna 172 Skywin Gaming here, and today I'm playing West Coast Florida boating game. And if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell at the bottom so you're notified of some more. And we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, so the only way to get to 10,000 subscribers is for you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell at the bottom so you're notified of some more. And also, if you're also new to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell at the bottom so we can get to 10,000 subscribers. So that only helps me grow, helps my channel grow. So let's get straight to the video. Alright, let's get my boat. Alright, spawn the boat out. Alright. I did not see that coming. Alright, let's get to the boat ramp. Not boat ramp. Boat spawner. So I get the boat and the unbelievable. Now we can get out of here. Alright. Let's turn to the left over here. Alright. Slow down. Alright. Alright. Stop. I gotta make sure something. Hold on 1 second, zero. Alright, left it out. Good. Hey, let's go to the right. Alright. Alright. Let's back up this boat. Alright. Neutral. Once again, raise it down. A little more. Alright, that's good for now until we get this boat off into the water. Oh. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That was a waste of time. Mow down. Alright. Oh. Alright. 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 I don't think you can go up faster than this for now. I don't think so. Alright. 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 And now we can floor it. Alright. Alright, let's go this way. Alright. Hmm. Hmm. Alright, so now we gotta go this way. Alright. Alright, let's check this way out. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, we are there. Alright. Keep going straight. Alright. down. Alright. 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 Let's go this way. Alright. Alright. This way. Alright. 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 Let's check this butt out. Huh. Should not be doing that. No, that should not be doing that at all. Alright. 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 If you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell on the bottom so you're notified for more. And we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're also new And if you're also new to the YouTube channel, and if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell button, and see you guys later. This is Cesar 172, Sky1 Gaming here.